Hello, good morning students. In previous class we have already started with the new chapter multiplication and division, and there we have solved many questions based on multiplication. So today we will see how to solve word problems questions based on multiplication. So here I have taken one example. A shopkeeper had 30 books. He sold all the books for 8 rupees each. What was the total cost? Okay, here a shopkeeper had brought 30 books. Okay, and the selling price of each book, each means one. The selling price of one book is 8 rupees. So what was the total cost? We have to find out. Whenever the value of one object or one article or the one thing is given, we can find out for many things by doing multiplication. So here also we have the value of one book. The cost of one book is 8 rupees, and we need to find out the cost of 30 books. So what we will do here, 30 will be multiplied by 8. This 30 is number of books. And the 8 is the cost of one book. So let us do multiplication. 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 24. That means the total cost will be 240 rupees. So therefore total cost will be 240 rupees. So in this way we can solve questions based on multiplication. Now let us see problem set number 14. In that we have the word problem question. The first question we have: as part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? Okay, now each student, now the total number of students are 745, and each student had made 25 paper bags. We have to find out the total number of paper bags made by 745 students. So here we will multiply the 745 by 25. This 745 is number of student, and this 25 is a number of paper bags. So I have written 745 multiplied by 25. So this 745 is number of students, and this 25 is number of bags. To find out the total number of paper bags made by 745 students, we will multiply this number of paper bags with the number of students. So 5 5s are 25. 5 will be here and 2 will be carryover. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 will be 22. 2 will be here and 2 will be carryover. 5 7 is 35. 36, 37. Now before multiplying by this 2, we will take 1 0 here. The unit place will be 0. 2 5s are 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carryover. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Then 2 7s are 14. Now we will do addition. 5. 2 plus 0 will be 2. 7 plus 9 will be 16. 6 here and 1 will be carryover. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. And this will be 1. That means the total number of paper bags is 18,625. So we will write, therefore the 18,625 paper bags were made. So let us see next question number 3. Here we have, okay, in a plantation, saplings of 215 medicinal trees have been planted in each of 132 rows of trees. How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? Okay, there are total 132 rows, and in each row, that means in one row, there are 215 medicinal trees of saplings. So we have to find out the total number of saplings in 132 rows. So we will multiply this 215 by 132. This 215 is number of saplings. And this 132 is number of rows. We have to find out the total number of saplings planted in 132 rows. So we will multiply. First one we will multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 will be carry over. 2 1s are 2. Plus 1 will be 3. 2 2s are 4. Take 1 0. Now multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. Again 1 will be carry over. 3 1s are 3. Plus 1 will be 4. 3 2s are 6. Now we will take 2 zeros. Then multiply by 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. Now we will do addition. This will be 0. 3 plus 5 will be 8. 4 plus 4 will be 8 and 8 plus 5 will be 13. 3 here and 1 will be carry over. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. And this 2 we will write as it is. So this will become 28,380. So therefore 28,380 saplings are there in the plantation all together. So next we will see question number 4. Okay, in fourth question we have one computer cost 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computers cost? Now we need to find out the cost of 18 computers. The cost of one computer is given. This 27,540 is cost of one computer. Each means 1. So here it is already given that one computer is, the cost of one computer is 27,540. Okay, the total number of computer is 18. So this will be number of computer. So we will do multiplication to find out the total cost. 8 zeros are 0. 8 4s are 32. 2 will be here and 3 will be carry over. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3 will be 43. 3 here and 4 will be carry over. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 will be 60. 6 will be carry over. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 will be 22. After multiplying by 8, we will multiply by 1. So first of all, we will take 0 as the unit place. 1 zeros are 0. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 2s are 2. After this, we will do addition. This will be 0. 2 plus 0 will be 2. 3 plus 4 will be 7. 0 plus 5 will be 5. 2 plus 7 will be 9. 2 plus 2 will be 4. That means the cost of 18 computer is 4,95,720. So therefore, the final statement we will write the total cost. Therefore, the total cost will be 4,95,720 rupees. Okay, now let us see next question number 5. The question number 5 we have, under the Inspire Awards scheme, 5,000 rupees per student were granted for the purchase of science project materials. If 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme, find the total amount granted to that taluka. Okay, now here we have the amount granted for each student. The amount granted for each student is 5,000 rupees. The total number of students are 154. If the amount granted for one student is 5,000, we have to find out the amount granted for 154 students. So we will multiply this 5,000 by 154. This 5,000 is amount granted for each student. So write down amount granted for each means one student. You can write one student also. So here 154 is the number of student. To find out the total amount, we will do multiplication. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, again 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20. After that, take 1 0 in the unit place. Now multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25. Now take 0 in unit and tens place. Now multiply by 1. 1 zeros are 0. Again 1 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fives are 5. Now do addition. This will be 0, 0, 0, 0 only. Here also 0. This will also 0. 2 plus 5 will be 7. Again 2 plus 5 will be 7. That means the total amount granted for total student is 7,70,000. So we will write therefore 7,70,000 rupees were granted. Okay, let us see question number 6. If a certain two-wheeler cost 53,670 rupees, how much will 35 such two-wheelers cost? Okay, here the cost of one two-wheeler is given, that is 53,670. We have to find out the total cost for 35 such two-wheelers. So first of all, this 53,670 is the cost of one two-wheeler, and this 35 is the number of two-wheelers. Okay, to find out the total cost, we will do multiplication. 5 zeros are 0, 5 sevens are 35, 5 will be here and 3 will be carryover. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 will be 33, 3 here, again 3 will be carryover. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 will be 18, 8 here and 1 will be carryover. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1 will be 26. Okay, now we will take 1 0 in the unit place. Now multiply 3 by all the numbers. 3 zeros are 0, 3 sevens are 21, 1 will be here and 2 will be carryover. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 will be 20, 0 here and 2 will be carryover. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 will be 11, 1 will be here and 1 will be carryover. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 will be 16. Now do the addition. This will be 0, 5 plus 0 will be 5, 3 plus 1 will be 4, 8 plus 0 will be 8, 6 plus 1 will be 7, 2 plus 6 will be 8. This one we will write as it is. So the answer will be 18,78,450. So therefore the total cost will be 18,78,450 rupees. The statement you can write in your own words also. Okay, let us see question number 7. 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have? Okay, in 1 hour there are 3,600 seconds. We have to find out the number of seconds in 365 hours. So first of all we will write the number of seconds in 1 hour. So this will be 3,600 in 1 hour. In 1 hour there are 3,600 seconds. So we have to find out number of hours in 365. Sorry, number of seconds in 365 hours. So let us do multiplication. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 will be carryover, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 will be 18. Now take 0 in the unit place. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36, 6 will be here, again 3 will be carryover. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 will be 21. Now take 0 in the unit and tens place. Now multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 8 will be here and 1 will be carryover. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Now add all these numbers. This will be 0, 0, 0. 6 plus 8 will be 14. 4 will be here and 1 will be carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8 will be 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be carryover. 2 plus 1, 3. This one we will write as it is. That means, so in 365 hours there are 13 lakh 14,000 seconds. So write down, in 365 hours have 13 lakh 14,000 seconds. So let us see next question. Question number 8. Frame a multiplication word problem with the numbers 5473 and 627 and solve it. Okay, here we have to frame our own question. I have given one example. You can take your own example also to multiply this. This question you will do yourself. I have given just an example. You can make your own multiplication word problem. So a shopkeeper bought 627 mobile sets for rupees 5473 rupees each. What was the total cost? So here this is the cost of one mobile phone. Total 627 mobile sets are there. So we have to find out the total cost for 627 mobile. So we will multiply the cost of one mobile with the number of mobiles. So this question you will do yourself. You can make your own questions for this word problem. So let us do question number 9. Okay, in question number 9, find the product of the biggest 3-digit number and the biggest 4-digit number. The biggest 4-digit number is 9999. The biggest 3-digit number is 999. So we have to find out the product. Product means what? Multiplication. So we have to find out the multiplication answer of the biggest 4-digit number and the 3-digit number. So let us do multiplication. 9 9s are 81. 1 will be here and 8 will be carryover. 9 9s are 81. Again 81 plus 8 will be 89. 9 here. 8 will be carryover. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 will be 89. Again 8 will be carryover. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 will be 89. Now take 0 in the unit place. If I multiply 9 with these numbers, I'll get the same answer. Whatever I have got here, the same answer we will get for second digit 9. So I'll copy from here. This here we will write 1. This 9 we will copy here and this 9 over here. This one we will copy here and the last one 8 we will write here. For this number, again we have the same digit. For the hundreds we have to take unit and tens place as a 0. Again if we will multiply the number with the 9, the same answer we are going to get. So again I'll copy this. 1 will be written here. This 9 will be written over here. This 9 again we will copy. This 9 and this 8 we will write here. So we have done. Now we will do addition. This will be 1. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 0 here and 1 will be carryover. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 9 19. 19 plus 1 will be 20. 0 here and 2 will be carryover. Now by adding this 3 9 we will get 27. 27 plus 2 will be 29. 9 here and 2 will be carryover. This will be 9 plus 9 will be 18. 18 plus 10 will be 28. 28, 8 here and 2 will be carryover. This will become 19. 9 here and 1 will be carryover. 8 plus 1 will be 9. You can use your fingers for the calculations. So here the answer is 99,89,001. This is the product of biggest 4-digit number and the biggest 3-digit number. So we can write this statement. So therefore product of biggest 3-digit and 4-digit number is 99,89,001. Okay, in question number 10, one traveler incurs a cost of 7,650 rupees for a certain journey. Incurs means spent. So one traveler spent 7,650 rupees for a certain journey. What will be the cost for 26 such travelers? Okay, the expense or this amount spent by one traveler is 7,650. We have to find out the cost for 26 such travelers. So we will multiply this amount by the number of travelers. So this amount by one traveler or by each traveler. Okay, this 26 number of travelers. So we will find out the total cost for 26 travelers by multiplying 26 by amount, that is amount for one traveler. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 0 here and 3 will be carryover. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 will be 39, 9 here and 3 will be carryover. 6 sevens are 42, this will be 45. Take 1 0 in the unit place. Now we will multiply the number by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 0 here and 1 will be carryover. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 will be 13, 3 here and 1 will be carryover. 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1 will be 15. Now find out the total cost by adding this. So we will get 1,98,900. This is the total cost for 26 such travelers. So write down. So therefore total cost for 26 travelers is 1,98,900 rupees. Hope you all understood these questions. If you have any doubt, you can clear your doubts in the doubt clearing section. Till then, be safe, be at home.